Oh, hey. Fancy you joining us.
Last week to go skiing, I just got my second jab here. Arm's a little sore, haven't really felt any major side effects. So I think it's we're gonna be good for a fun day up on the mountain. Last week to snowboard, so we gotta make it count. I still have the season ski pass of a Mr. Douglas French. Douglas was staying at the Airbnb of one of our friends, and because of COVID, he had to return back to Australia. Him and his partner both paid for season passes, so that's like $2,000. So they left them the passes, so now I get to benefit from not having to pay for a lift pass. Let's grab our gear.
After you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Christopherson.
I think Jay's available.
Sunday.
50 centimeters of snow in the last 48 hours.
Shut up! Shut up!
Ready to go.
Left side of the bus. You get the nice view overlooking the edge of the Remarkables.
This guy's got some good stretches. I should follow him.
Oh.
Those are snowboard stretches. Yep. Those are definitely snowboard stretches. We're gonna attempt the rock. There's less snow on it this time. The ditch looks bigger, so I'm definitely gonna have to hit it with more speed. Wish me luck. That's a tough mother. Woo! Yay! Woo! Nailed it. It's Jay.
I almost left.
Oh no. I wasn't recording, but Sam, Jay, and I totally got tangled getting off that lift, but it seems like this is the best time right now to head up to the lookouts. Right, let's start our adventure. Let's go. This is definitely more work than snowboarding. Jay, catch. Let's test the helmets. Oh.
Taken out again.
That's what we call the helmet test.
Well, all right, that's a little better. It almost seems like it wasn't intentional. Just some good footage right there.
All right, it is 4:18. We are done for the day. Sam fell down, punched himself in the ribs somehow. I think it's a sign that we've adequately fatigued our bodies and it's time to go.
No more, no more.
Yeah. By the end of it, my quads were just burning. This is gonna be the last time I'll be snowboarding up here at the Remarkables. It's been a good season. I wish I could have gone more times. Cardrona, however, is still open till the end of the month. So there might be some more snowboarding to be had next week. But right now we gotta catch the bus. Nice. There is our bus. I am knackered. How are you? How's your ribs?
Yeah, I feel like I've been punched there or something.